I'm going to show you how to fussy cut, which is essentially isolating a motif in a fabric and including it in your paper piece block. So the first thing you want to do is make an extra copy of your paper piece pattern, and you're going to want to cut the section of the block that you want to fussy cut. So in this case, we're fussy cutting the waistband, which is section A4 out of this block. The next step is you're going to want to actually cut out that particular little piece from the pattern. So A4 is your waistband. The next step is using this. It's almost like a little window to isolate what motif you want to fussy cut. So in this case, we're going to do Queen Bee. So, and it's going to fit perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, because in paper piecing everything is done kind of backwards. So there you go. I use a fabric glue stick, and you want to glue the little pattern piece right over the motif. Now, if you need to, you can also kind of hold this up to the light to make sure that it's completely covering the motif. The next step is marking the seam allowance. So you don't have the seam allowance on that little section, so you're going to want to take your see-through ruler, and you can use chalk, or I'm going to flip this around. Use a chalk pencil. I have a little Choco marker. Mark that. Then the next step is cutting that little piece out, and then you're ready to use it in your paper piece block.